As a US military veteran or active duty member, you can get discount on the 2025-2026 NFL Sunday ticket through YouTube. And here's how you can get that. The price is $198 for the entire NFL Sunday ticket season, NFL Red Zone for an extra $42. US military veterans and active duty personnel are eligible for it. You will need to verify your military status through ID.me, and after verification, you'll be redirected to YouTube purchase page to subscribe. And you can use the YouTube or YouTube TV app to watch. This offer expires on December 1st, 2025. So if you had NFL Sunday ticket last season with the ID.me discount, you can go to youtube.com/NFL, hit enter in your keyboard, click on renew membership, and make sure that you're logged in with the same Google account you used before. The discount should be applied automatically. And to watch, you can use smart TVs, streaming devices, computers, tablets, and smartphones. And you can use YouTube or YouTube TV apps. You can watch up to 4 games at once with multi-view. And there is unlimited in-home streaming, real-time fantasy stats, key play, replays, and highlights, and optional NFL Red Zone added on. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.